So pretty much got the E-stopp parking brake cable set up, wrapped up for the underside. I still have to finish the wiring, but I wanted to hook everything up and do a test run, show you guys how this setup works. It's a real simple 2-wire box, just like a linear actuator, pulling into a 2-cable bracket. And I've got my cables back here. This is a 96 Mustang carburetor, so there's factory Ford brakes in the back. These are a Willwood universal parking brake cable set. And this is what you get from E-stopp. You get your actuator up in the car, and then your control box and the button. So I've got 12 volts to it. This is the button that they give you, and we'll see how this works. That's it. I already did check it, and the wheels feel really tight. If I need to adjust it once it's on the ground, I'll go from there, but I'm really happy with the way this setup worked out. You won't be able to see anything once it's under the car. Now I don't have the clunky handle under the dash, the pulley, or the cable running all the way from the firewall. I'm not sure where I'm going to mount the button yet. You see it'll blink as it's activating or deactivating. It only takes 3 seconds. And it also has a trigger wire here for a brake light. My cluster does have the factory red light to let you know that the emergency brake's pulled, so I'll tie that into that. So once it's all done and you hit that button, that light will come on and you'll know the brake's on.